So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a good day. So today I'll tell you about the insurance. How can you do insurance with your phone easily? So without wasting the time, open the POLICYBAZAAR app. This is the app that is showing in screen. So click on two-wheeler insurance and then put your bike number here and click this button. Now select your bike brand, model, variant and registration year. So my bike is Pulsar RS. Pulsar RS. RS click. Non-ABS 200cc 2018. Click on this button. Here is different policies: 1 year policy, 3 year policy, 1 year third party policy. You can choose as you wish. You can choose I don't remember, then all policies come in your plans and you can select from there. Here I am choosing limited third party. It's costed 1143. After that, next page open and you have to fill your information here. Now continue to step 2 after filling the pin code 48001. Now here nominee relationship and nominee name and nominee age. Then continue to step 3. So here you have to fill engine number, chassis number and registration date. After filling it, verify premium and it's loading. So here is the premium 1143 and GST 206. Total is 1349. And they send your information in your WhatsApp also. And this is the personal details in your summary. You can check from there. And after that, pay securely. After loading the page, there's so many options for you. You can pay from different as your wish. I am using here phone pay. After that, please do not click your browser's back or refresh button. It takes some time. So there is a message coming in phone pay of POLICYBAZAAR. Click on your message and pay from there securely. So now open your POLICYBAZAAR app. Here you can see your policy has been booked successfully. So you can download policy from here easily from browser, and there is a WhatsApp also from where you can download the policy. So now I am ending the vlog. If you like my vlog, so keep share and subscribe my channel. Ding ding.